is called unagi. It's a freshwater eel. It's barbecue. It's cooked. So we don't have like a lot of raw stuff. Oh, it's okay. We don't have a lot of raw stuff. We have some raw stuff. Spicy tuna is the only thing that's raw.
Okay.
So just because I remember we have some kids and just want to be mindful. So I just want to make it more approachable for most people. So maki, and then the second one is going to be a hand roll or hade. All right. So it's very popular right now. It's the hando or hanzo is hand roll, and I'll show you guys how to make that one.
It's the cone.
It's the cone. Well, it's the cone, but now it's like the hando is a cigar. They roll into a cigar.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very it's different. It's very unique, but I'll show you guys. It's very simple. All these is very approachable, very simple to make. And then the last one is gonna be nigiri. Everybody know what nigiri is, right? All right. So we're gonna be making some nigiri as well. Okay. Questions so far?
No.
You guys ready?
Yeah, let's get
Go
started.
on.
All right, let's go.
Luca.
He has a question.
Oh, yes, sir.
But what are we gonna be using for the unagi? Are we gonna be making it into the sauce?
The unagi is gonna be a nigiri.
Oh.
Nigiri. So nigiri is just rice and fish on top. That's it. All right. So if you want, you can make it into a sashimi. That's fine. Just sashimi means fish, no rice. All right. We can do that too. So it's up to you. You can let me know what you want to make, and then I'll prep I will prep all the stuff for you guys.
Okay.
All right. That's good. Any other questions? All right. Awesome. All right. Let's do this. All right. First thing we're gonna do. All right. This is my nori box. So I keep all this stuff in here. So this is a nori. All right. Roasted seaweed. So all you guys can grab one of this and pass it around, and then just put that. This is a makisu, which all you guys have. So put the nori on top of your makisu.
Okay, why ours has the...
I was gonna say, yeah. So you guys have a traditional bamboo makisu. Bamboo makisu. This is plastic. So I use this. This is for convenience for me, and I use this on a daily. I use this actually in the restaurant. The bamboo makisu is just it's traditional. I don't use that much anymore, so I just use that more for like classes and stuff. Because if it's in production, like in the restaurant, they break. Yeah, because we will make like 100 rolls a day. These things eventually they wear off, but these are like almost indestructible. Because there's no strings to it, and it doesn't it doesn't change color. It's plastic, so it lasts forever almost. So that's why most industry they use plastic now instead of the bamboo.
And these are called how? What again?
Makisu.
Makisu.
Yeah. So maki means roll. So makisu. So it's a basically it's a mat. When you translate it literally, a mat for roll.
Okay.
I know it sounds weird when you translate a literal
Okay.
translation, but
Mat.
it's a bamboo mat for rolls.
Okay.
All right. So you put the seaweed on top of your makisu, and then
Você não vai assistir o primeiro roast aí? Tá na hora?
No, I have some minutes.
Okay.
So curious.
yeah. Yeah, for me it's fine. Everybody a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Not everybody. Yeah, there's this. So I'm giving you guys a little bit of water because you're gonna dip your hands in the water, and the reason why is so it doesn't stick. The rice doesn't stick. All right. So I'm gonna make one. All right, as a demonstration.
Okay.
Sounds good. All right. So the first thing, these are they're crab mix and spicy tuna. All right, I made these already in advance.
Yeah.
Oops. So I made this in advance. Let's see. Can you guys see everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. I know if can you see?
Sit straight, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If you can't see it, right, let me know. I'll get closer. I will even do hands on for you guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make the traditional. It's a California roll. You know,
My favorite.
your favorite. Nice. Okay. So everybody knows California roll. All right. So it's very approachable. So as you see, I dip my hands just a little damp. Get a little bit of rice. You don't need too much rice. Just enough. So it's about size of a, like a nectarine or tennis ball, this size. Okay, put that on the top left. Top left. Yeah, because I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna go from left to right. All right. Dip your hands again. Keep it moist, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this motion: squeeze, press down, squeeze all the way across. Okay, so it's like that.
And what rice are you using?
Oh, good question. So I'm using a medium grain rice. Medium grain rice.
Like
And
jasmine or
No.
basmati or what kind
it's
of?
it's called a sushi rice.
Oh, it's
medium,
sushi,
yeah, it's
medium
sushi.
So there's
sushi,
a
right.
Medium
particular
sushi rice.
grade rice. Okay.
Correct. And it has you can use short grain, but most of the time I use medium grain. It's perfectly fine.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see, okay.
So you saw the motion. I did a squeeze
Roll
down,
it, you squeeze down,
Mhm.
and then as you go.
left to right, and then from there, once I have the line on the top, I'm gonna push it down. Press it down. Doesn't have to be perfect. You're not gonna cover the whole entire seaweed, which is fine, and I'll show you the reason. All right. So I'm just gonna and then this is a little trick. If you can't cover every area, you just pinch a little bit of rice on the top, and then just kind of fill it in. All right, and that's it. All right. So now you got this, basically a seaweed with a little bit of rice, okay, which is fine. You see a lot of, nori everywhere still, so the seaweed still exposed, which is fine. We're gonna flip it over, okay, flip it over. So now you have the whole entire surface to work with. So amazing. And then I'm gonna put, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put filling right in the middle, all right, California roll. So it's always crab mix first, and the key is not to put too much filling.
So next time.
Yeah, no.
Next time.
Yes, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Correct.
So if the more filling you have, the harder it is to roll. And then when you have too much filling in there, and then when you cut, it blows up. We go like blow like a blowout, and we're not trying to do that. So we just need a little bit. One line. All right. So if you're gonna weigh it out, probably an ounce and a half, 2 ounces max. All right. The general rule of thumb is about 2 to 3 ingredients inside the filling, no more than that. If you want more things in the roll, put it on top. That's what you see nowadays, right? A lot of people put stuff on top. Okay. So now from here, put cucumber. All right. And then some avocado. The music. It's enough? Music? No.
It's a video.
Oh. You can still turn on the video and music.
It's entertaining. No worries.
Oh, no, okay.
Well, I don't know.
I don't know.
Focused.
Yeah,
Oh,
we're
yeah.
moving right.
Okay, no, it's okay. It's just in case. I thought you guys want some music. That's fine. So okay, where was I? Okay, so cucumber, avocado, and then your crab mix. That's your standard. What do you call it?
So
This-
you're gonna leave about an inch
About
from
an
the
inch
bottom.
from the bottom. Exactly.
Gotcha.
That's it. You're very observant. You're already ahead of me. So this is what it should look like. So from your perspective, it's gonna look like that. Okay.
Gotcha.
All right. So from here, remember you see me do this a lot. All right. Always have your hands kind of moist, damp. So now from here, I'll do this motion. From your thumbs, you lift up. You lift up your 4 fingers, right, on each side. You don't have to do one of these. You just have to do one of these. Lift up with your thumb, and then your 4 fingers, you tuck the filling like this. All right. So this is what I'm doing. You lift up the makisu. Lift up the makisu. That's what it's for, to help you lift. To help you roll. Lift up, and then do one of these. Roll it. All right. And pull the makisu over. and in the meantime, right, you're squeezing down. You're squeezing the bottom,
The shape.
the shape, to form
Yeah.
the little arc. All right, and that's it. Where is it? Okay, that's it. All right. So now, that is your California roll. So now we can put stuff on top of it. Most people put different kind of fish, or you can eat it like as is. Cut it 8 pieces. Eat it as is. Okay. Questions? You guys ready?
No.
Alright.
We'll give it a shot anyway.
It's not gonna look like this. Okay, your first try. Trust me. I